Hi, good day. My name is Marisha Swart, and I'm currently using HeyMath in my classroom to assist with my teaching and learning. So it has become much easier to use HeyMath since it's been translated. It's easier to move between languages, and the option I now have to use my own voice to do my teaching and my learning, obviously, is just simply amazing. The lessons are much more easier, and we don't have to translate while teaching and use code switch. I can also change the text to fit my learners' dialect, and this has proven to be effective in helping my learners understand a certain concept. As you know, we are in the age of technology, and our learners are visual learners. HeyMath assists my teaching in helping these visual learners understand concepts they would not have understood otherwise. So also during my preparation, it also helps me to understand a concept better and to teach it in a fun HeyMath way. With translated HeyMath, it will be much easier to bridge that gap from grade 3 to grade 4. And also my only problem has been with HeyMath being in English, but now it's become an even more effective tool with helping our teaching and learning. So thank you for putting in all the work to make something that work even better.